Hey guys, check out this really cool splash guard for your bathtub. My kids love taking baths, but I absolutely hate cleaning up after them because there's water everywhere. That's what this is awesome for. So it's a nice silicone material. It connects to the tub because there's little suction cups along the whole side of it. So you just go ahead and push it nice and secure there. On the inside of the tub here, same thing, 4 suction cups. You're gonna just push them down, secure it to there. Let me actually take this off for you here so you can see. I'll turn it around. So it has just a nice lip here. So anytime the water, if they're playing, they're splashing, it's just gonna block that water from going on the floor. I love that there are pockets on the inside here so you can store their toys whenever they're done. I love the mesh material because you know it's gonna get air through it, so it's gonna help your toys dry really nicely. And then there also is another larger one on the other side too. So this is just really nice. It's one of my go-to bath time tools just to help bath time go a little bit smoother for the parents, and cleanup is a lot easier. You don't have to worry about water splashing. Your kids can have a great time. So if you're looking for something to help out with bath time, this is a great option. Thanks for watching.